how to change location on ZipRecruiter. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the ZipRecruiter app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the profile option on the bottom right of your screen. You will be led to your ZipRecruiter profile. Here, tap on the edit option you see there beside your name. Now go ahead and scroll down and you will see the option for location. Tap on the location text box and enter your new location that you want to change into, and finally tap on the save button in order to save the changes that you just made, and with this your location will be changed successfully. So this is how you can change location on ZipRecruiter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.